What happens if you settle your personal injury case too soon? There's a big disadvantage. Insurance companies want you to settle like right after the accident. The problem is you don't even know what's absolutely wrong with you at that point, because a lot of times you don't even feel the pain or the problems until a day or two after, sometimes a week after. Basically, you have incomplete medical evaluations that would be a detriment to you when you settle too soon. You're not fully diagnosed, you're not fully treated. You don't know how long or how much treatment you're actually going to get, or what future care you need, or what the prognosis is once you get to the end of recovery. To accept a settlement early is very dangerous financially and for the welfare of the client. But some clients do it because they need the money and they need it now, so they'll take a couple of grand and be done. And then they'll call me and say, you know what, I'm still in pain, and it's too late, because once you get paid and sign a waiver, you're done. Misjudging the extent of a long-term disability or injury. That happens a lot when people close their case too early and then they find out that the pain doesn't go away. They needed something additional. Lowball settlement offers is another problem, and that's what we alluded to earlier. The insurance companies will encourage these settlements because they know that if we can cut off the value of your case early, we can pay pennies on the dollar what we'd have to pay if you actually got better, and we know what your prognosis is in the future. Are you going to have lost wages? Are you going to have more medical bills in the future? Are you going to have more pain and suffering in the future? All these things that could be of value to you that they would have to pay, they can close those off and not have to pay them. So they offer quick cash payments. They pressure you, or they tell you things like, oh, we'll just give you $1,000 and we'll pay your medical bills as you go. It doesn't work that way. It's a one-time payment, so they trick you. Once you sign that release, there's no recourse. I have clients do it over the years, and then they're trying to back out. You're done. Courts don't let you back out. It's a contract agreement. So you accepted money and you signed a release and you're done. It permanently waives any future problems that you have, or even getting better for some people. So it's very difficult and very scary to even decide to take money up front before you actually know the extent of your injuries, the extent of the costs, the extent of what you're going to need in the future, even lost wages. People don't realize I still might be in so much pain or have to get surgery, and then I'll have lost wages in the future. Or even a disability if it's bad enough, or if you go into surgery and end up with a huge disability, which does happen, I've seen it, you've already closed all that off for future recovery. The insurance companies know that you have psychological and financial pressures when you've been in an accident. Sometimes people need immediate money, so they think that immediate settlement would be great. They have no idea that this is a one-time thing. So hire a good personal injury attorney, make sure that the full value of your claim is obtained, and make sure that you're all completely done treating, or at least you know the extent of your injuries and what's the probable outcome in the future. Make sure you delay your settlements until that happens, because people want the money and they want it now, and I understand that because there's all the pressure, but please don't do it. It's better for you, and it's better for your recovery and for your health.